In this lecture, we will discuss about the basic concept of banner grabbing. Let us now understand what is a banner grabbing attack. Banner grabbing technique is used to gather information about a remote web server by analyzing the banner or header. This message typically contains details about the server software, version number, operating system, and other such relevant information that can be used to identify the potential vulnerabilities or attack vectors. Now let us understand what is a WebGet tool. It is a command line tool used to download the files from the internet. So, widget is a short form of WebGet. This command line tool is used to perform banner grabbing by sending the HTTP request to a remote web server and then analyzing the response headers. Next question. Which tool is used to perform the banner grabbing technique? Your answer should be WebGet. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.